negative rational exponents. Now let us consider some of these negative rational exponents and understand them. If we have a to the power of minus n in general, it means 1 over a to the power of n. The effect of this negative is to make it reciprocal. So the number a becomes 1 over a. So that is how we have to treat it. Okay. Now keeping this in mind, try to answer these questions. You can pause the video, copy the questions, answer them, and then look into my suggestions. Here is how we will do it. So when we see this minus sign, it means 8 to the power of minus 1 over 3 is as good as writing 1 over 8 to the power of 1 over 3, right? Now cube root of 8 is 2, so we get this equals to 2. So that is how we are going to solve it. So let me do it once again for minus 27 to the power of 2 over 3 minus. So this minus means it will be minus of 1 over 27. Okay, I could have written this minus sign here or there, it doesn't really matter. The number is negative. So that we have taken care of the negative thing, and now we are left with 2 over 3. Do you see that? So that means we can find the cube root first and then square it. So when you square, this becomes positive. Remember that part. So let me do it in 2 steps. First, let me do cube root. So when I do cube root, then cube root of 27 is 3. So you get minus 1 over 3, but square. That is the square. Square makes this positive, and you get 1 over 9 as your answer. I hope you appreciate that part, right? So I split it into 2 steps so that you can understand and appreciate what we have done. We'll follow this process once again. So we have here minus 32 to the power of minus 1 over 5, right? So minus 1 over 5, this minus means this should be written as 1 over, I can write minus 32 here also, it doesn't matter, it's the same thing. Now since I've taken care of minus, I'm writing 1 over 5 now. That means fifth root of negative 32. Now fifth root of negative 32 is 2, right? So I should write 1 over 2 with a negative sign, right? That is the answer. Now in this case, minus is out, so just keep it here, right? And here we have a positive. We don't have negative here, right? Do you see that? There is no negative here. So we'll just keep 16 as 16. So we have 16th cube and 4th root. So it's better to find the 4th root first, right? So I can show you this. So what we are doing is 4th root of 16 first, and then we'll cube it. So I'm just trying to show you the steps. 4th root of 16 is 2, right? 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. So it's minus of 2 cube, which gives me minus 8 as the answer, right? Follow these steps and then solve these 4 questions on your own. 27 to the power of minus 2 over 3, minus 64 to the power of 2 over 3, 25 to the power of minus 3 over 2, and minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros to the power of minus 2 over 3. Should make a note that we don't have negative sign here, right? So you don't have to do reciprocal. So if there is a negative sign, for example, these negative signs, right? These negative signs, you have to do reciprocal, right? So you do reciprocal of the number and then evaluate as we have done in all the 3 cases. But if that negative sign is not there, then you should not do reciprocal, right? So remember that part and then solve or evaluate all these numbers. Thank you.